Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reserve on booking.com without paying. For you to know how to reserve on booking.com without paying, follow these detailed steps. Follow these detailed steps to reserve a property on booking.com without making an immediate payment. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser and go to booking.com. If prompted, just follow through with the on-screen prompt to log in or to sign in. Once you're done logging in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage. From the left corner of this homepage, go ahead and click on stays. So over here, you have stays, you have car rentals, activities, and airport taxes. Click on stays. Now, once you click on stays, enter your destination. Where are you going? Let's say Abuja, Nigeria. Now, enter your check-in and check-out dates. So for me, check-in date's gonna be 28 and check-out date is going to be 29th. Then also you have to enter the number of guests from here. Just one adult, all right? You can click on that and make changes. Use plus to add more, use minus to reduce. If you have children going with you, you can add that. If you want to add more rooms, go ahead and add the number of rooms you want. And once you're done, go ahead and click on search. On the search result page, use the filters on the left hand, which we have in here, to refine your options. I like this option, so I'm just going to stick with that. Now look for and select. All right, so you're going to look for some filters that's just really going to help you with the free cancellation. So look for and select the following filters, which include free cancellation. Just scroll the way down from this left corner and find free cancellation as in the reservation policy. So click on free cancellation, and also you have to look for no prepayment needed. Let's see if we're going to find something that looks like that. Okay, no prepayment. So click no prepayment, and you see the filter options in there. Now, free cancellation ensures that you're able to find properties with no upfront charges, while no prepayment needed ensures that you can reserve without immediate payment. So the next step is to browse through the filter properties and click on the property that matches your preference. So let's say I like this, and I like the way this. Okay, I just like this. Okay, breakfast included. Like, I love breakfast. So go ahead and click on see availability. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page where you can now review the details of the property, including the room type and the room types and the payment policies. So look for rooms labeled as no prepayment needed in the room options section. So now this is it. This is my choice. Economy double O twin. You have deluxe studio. Okay, so this economy double O twin, no prepayment and free cancellation. So I'm safe in this room options. So for here, I'm going to choose with this, and I'm going to choose this, and I'm just going to type in our reserve. So choose a room that meets your requirements and click on reserve or our reserve next to it. I don't know what this guy is saying. Please select one or more options. Okay, just one, I reserve. So reserve with Genius, and we just want to reserve with Genius. And that's opening up. Okay, now review the reservation summary on the confirmation page, which we have here. So we have a couple of things here. Enter your details. You have to enter your details in your, this is the booking details, and this is your price. And once you fill out all of that, fill out all of this information, the next thing is to click on next final details. So once you click on the next final details, it's going to take you to where you can now make payment. And after checking the final details, all right, you have to fill out all of this, and I don't want to fill out all of that. But then after that, just go to the next step where you can now make payment. Okay, of course, after completing the reservation, you receive a confirmation email with the booking details, and you can also view your booking by navigating to bookings and trips under your profile name. Now, there are a couple of things that you need to know. Properties offering no prepayment needed or pay at the property options may require you to provide a valid credit card to secure the reservation. So ensure you read the cancellation and payment policies to avoid any charges in case of no-shows or late cancellation. Now, availability of this feature depends on the property and location. So these steps will help you reserve a property on Booking.com without making any immediate payment. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.